Yes. Another video where we will be talking about equivalent fractions. This time we are going to figure out the pattern among the numbers, among the fractions. Now, what pattern is happening here between 4 and 8? You might think this. 4 and 8, okay, it's just multiplication. Multiplication, it's double multiplication by 2. So, the pattern between 4 and 8, you multiply by 2. Good, you're right. Then, the next number, we should multiply as well. 8 multiplied by 2 is 16, but I am not getting 16. I am getting 12. So, multiplication by 2 is not the pattern. There is something else here. But I know between 4 and 8, the difference is 4. Difference is 4. How about pattern being the addition of 4 all the time? Let's try that. 4 plus 4 will give you 8. Plus 4, that will give you 12. It works. Let's do one more. Plus 4, that will give you 16. Yes, that's the pattern. You always add the top numbers by 4. How about the bottom numbers? Well, 4 is not going to work there. So this is the number we always add and get the next number. So I am assuming this is the number we should always add to get the next number. 5 plus 5 is 10. One more 5 is 15. One more 5 is 20. Yes, I think I just figured out the pattern. Pattern here is that numbers here always goes up by 4. Number there always goes up by 5. So what is the question? This is the question. They want me to figure out what fraction goes there. That's easy. So 4 always goes 4, 8, 12, 16. What's the next number? 16 plus 4 is 20. So let's do the bottom one. 5, 10, 15, 20. What is 20 plus 5? Next number would be 25. So the missing fraction here is 20 divided by 25, and that's the pattern I figured out helps me to get that number. So let's just go ahead and do another example. Okay, looking at this question, I see that 2 and then the next fraction is being asked. So it's better I don't bother to think about that at the beginning. First, I need to figure out the pattern, the relationship among the fractions. Let's focus on the rest of the fractions here. All right, 10, 14. It's again 4 extra. And let's do one more 4 extra, 18. One more 4 extra, 22. It works. So I know the top numbers, they go up by 4. How about the bottom numbers? 35. What's the difference between 35 and 49? I don't know. Let's just calculate. 49, 35, subtraction. 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. 14. Is that the pattern? 35 plus 14 is 49. That's right. 49 plus 14 is 53, 63. That's also right. I think this is the pattern, but I'm just going to go one more step and see if I got this right. 63 plus 14 is 67, 77. Okay, I got this right. All right. So, pattern here is that the bottom numbers, they go up by 14. So top numbers by 4, bottom numbers by 14. Now let's just clear everything. This is being asked. Let's change the color. Now I can figure that out. 2. After 2 comes 4 more, 6. 7. After 7, 14 more becomes 21. Voila. That's also done. And let's see what other examples I have here. All right, over here we are looking. Oh, I don't like it when I have a number here and the next number is being asked and the other next number is also being asked, so that's just gonna complicate everything. What I would like to do is just focus on the numbers that's being given to us. So what is the pattern here? 13, 17. Somebody loves 4. Again, plus 4. One more 4. Yes, that works. Let's just make sure that also works. And how about 39? 39 and 51. That's 12 more. So 12 more is 63. 12 more is alright. So plus 12 there, plus 4 there. So now let's go back to the question. 1 plus 4 will be, let's clear everything. Plus 4 will be 5 here, and plus another 4 will be 9 here. And let's just make sure we got the pattern right. 9 plus 4 is 13. Yes, so that works. We got this pattern very well. How about here? That's 3. I'm going to add 12. That will give me 15. I'm going to add another 12 to that. That will give me 17, 27. Let's just make sure if we add 12 more, are we getting that? 30, 29, 39. Yes, we are getting that. So I am pretty sure this is the answer to the question. Let's practice.